Alright. Stately came in. Let's check it out. I got the, I forget what package they call it. It's the one below presidential. It's $329 a month. This first box I'm getting right here was about $280. Alright, just a little note from my stylist with, I already read this online, they sent this to me. It has some information about what they sent me, how to match it up with each other. There's my cat Lily. Hey Lily. Alrighty. First thing I'm pulling out is a, watch out Lily. A Jameson knit blazer in navy. Ooh. This has a price tag on it. It says $300. Who knows how true that is? But it has a price tag on it. Allegedly, this is a $300 deal. Not something I would like buy for myself, but that's kind of the whole point of Stately, isn't it? A little bit outside your comfort zone. So here we go. That's the first item that was on top of my box. Very cool. There's Sega joining us. Hey Sega. Embrace the cats, guys. It's part of the deal. They sent me a nice belt. I'm not going to waste your time with that. It's a belt. Allegedly a $60 belt I'm seeing right here. Okay, very nice. We'll keep that separate from my everyday Walmart belt that I use. You know what I mean? What's this right here? Let's check this out. We got some shirts here. Check this out. Cotton & Co. Sport Polo. Let's go ahead and open it up. We're seeing Lily's till and frame there. Oh, this is soft. This is going to be nice for the warmer weather. This is very nice. Get that out of the way to show you guys. Here you go. Very nice. Soft, like I said. I'm probably gonna wash everything like you probably should. You guys wash your clothes when you get them, even though they're brand new. I do. All right, what are they calling this? Flag and Anthem. Stretch. Check these out. These are navy. Nashville straight. These are soft. Probably decent in the warmer weather. Yep, very nice, very nice. Hi Lily. What is this? We got a white slim tee. Allegedly an $80 Tahari modern fit shirt. There's that. Very nice. I'm liking that. Cool. Oh, Lily, way to go. Sitting pretty. Aw. This is Lily. She'll be 18 about September or so. I don't know exactly when her birthday was. She was a year old when I got her. Right, Lily? Hopefully she got many, many years ahead of us. She's very healthy. Yeah, good girl. Alright, well, I think we're down to one last item, guys. And it looks like, shoes. Ben Sherman. Yeah, they're nice. They're lightweight. They look great. I love them. This is probably the kind of shoe I would buy for myself, but there you go. Love the color. That'll match with just about anything. That's freaking sick, guys. Wow. There you go. First box. Navy pants. Sick polo. It was real soft. A nice blazer, a belt, shoes. That's great, guys. I'll give you an update when I get my next box next month.